Hi guys, we're receiving this ceiling fan with light for event purposes. So let's take everything out of the box. And here we've got the light fixture. As you can see, they are LEDs, which is really nice. This is a shade with its cage. As you can see, it's like a matte black finish, which is really nice. I'm gonna leave it in the bag in the bubble wrap, which is very well protected. Okay. We've got the controller and the receiver. It has 6 different speeds. You can just set on winter or summer mode, which is really nice. And you can select the brightness of the light and set it up for up to 8 hours. Okay, so I think it's a really nice option to have. Here we've got one downrod, and here we've got 2. Okay, we've got on a total of 2 downrods for installing them on slope ceilings, which I find quite very nice. You know, sometimes you want to put your ceiling fan on a slope ceiling, and those are great attachments to do it. Okay, and this is the proper motor. Okay, it has this industrial finish, which I find quite nice, and it just has 3 fan blades. Okay, all you need to assemble it. Here we've got one of the fan blades. As you can see, also this industrial design, which is quite nice. They are metal. You can place the ceiling fan outdoors, indoors, wherever you want to place it. Lastly, we get the user manual to see how to install it and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling everything and see how it looks. I'm gonna install it in here on the ceiling. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. It has a very nice industrial finish, which I find quite nice. And what I like about it is that you have 6 different speeds on the controller. As you can see, I placed the 6th speed, and it's really strong. And you can change it to use it on summer or winter. Now it's in the forward, so it's for summer. And as you've seen, when I press this button on the corner, it stops and starts spinning the other way around, so it's for the winter. Okay, you've got 3 different light temperatures, as you can see, and you can get the intensity up or down of the brightness. Okay, which is really nice. As you can see, it's really powerful, which is quite nice. It's really nice. I like a lot the design. It's really nice, perfect for outdoors or indoors, wherever you want to place it, and I like it a lot. It also has the timers, and you can make it so it makes sound or not. So it's really nice, and I like it a lot. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.